All right, so this is the Bissell 3-in-1. Filter is clean. I'm gonna do this. This is very loose, so it doesn't stay on. And I took the front wheels off. They were very, very squeaky. So yeah. Why was there a crack? What was that about? And these tires are there. What was the crack about? What? What the fuck? I don't know. Was it this cracking? Yeah. It did. Yeah, it did crack. Fuck it. All right, that's it for now. Bye.